All right, the latest news break coming in right now is the insider track on what went down when Deepika Padukone was interrogated by the NCB. The latest coming in right now is that Deepika Padukone said that she and Karishma spoke in code words, and when it came down to, she's given details of what hash meant, what mal meant, and she said that they spoke in code words. She said hash meant a thin cigarette. Mal is a thin cigarette and hash is a thick cigarette. This is the latest that is coming in right now in terms of what Deepika Padukone told the NCB. She has denied outrightly taking any drugs at all. She has said that they did smoke cigarettes but did not take in drugs. I want to connect right now to my colleague Devesh, who is joining us with the latest updates. Devesh, what more can you add to this?
Preeti, Deepika Padukone, who was questioned for around 5.5 hours by the Narcotics Control Bureau in connection with the chat message she had with Karishma Prakash, the manager with Quant Talent Management, where she's seen asking for hash and also discussing about weed. Here, during the questioning, she seemed to have come prepared. Also, Karishma was very well prepared. Remember, both were together in Goa shooting for a movie when NCB issued summons and asked them to join investigation in Mumbai. Both had come prepared, and when asked what was mal, that was indicated as it was the normal regular cigarette. And when asked about hash, what was the code hash that they spoke about, that was a thin cigarette that is generally available in the market. And this is what they've said. They've told NCB officials. Deepika completely refuted the claims that she had ever consumed drugs. She said, and on record she said that she's never consumed any kind of banned narcotic substances, whether it be hash or weed or marijuana. And also, these were just code words which were used for cigarettes between her and Karishma Prakash. When asked, when the same questions were posed to Karishma, she also responded in a similar manner and said that hash was for a thinner cigarette and mal was a code word for a regular cigarette. That is what has come to light from sources in the Narcotics Control Bureau. That has, it has been revealed by NCB officials who are privy to the questioning that
Devesh, appreciate you joining us. So that's the latest news break coming in, and both of them concurred. Deepika concurred with what Karishma said. Karishma pretty much said what Deepika said. So it seemed both of them knew exactly the deposition that they had to give in front of the NCB. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.